In this video, we'll walk you through how to build a complete online exam using Porsline. You'll learn how to randomize the order of questions and options, set correct answers and scoring rules, calculate final scores automatically, set time limits for the entire test or individual questions, show final scores to respondents, display different end messages based on score, authenticate test takers before showing questions, restrict responses to one per person, share auto-graded answer sheets immediately after submission, and export all submissions to Excel. You'll also see how to apply filters and review visual reports for each question. Let's get started by creating the exam questions. In your test, you can use any question type: multiple choice, open-ended, or even upload-based questions. You can allow respondents to upload files, images, audio, or video, and also add visuals to your questions. In our scenario, we're building a quiz exam using multiple choice questions. To randomize the options in each question, just enable the choice randomization in the question editor. If you want to randomize the questions themselves, place all of them into a question group and turn on random display in the group settings. For example, if you create 30 questions, you can configure the group to display only 10 of them randomly to each respondent. In this example, we've chosen to randomize all the questions in the group. Next, we'll define the answer key and scoring logic for each question. For every correct answer, assign a specific score. This way, the system can automatically calculate each respondent's final score. Please note that auto-grading and answer sheet display only apply to multiple choice, picture choice, drop-down, and numerical answer. Now let's configure different end pages based on score. If a respondent scores between 0 and 10, they'll be directed to an end page that says they've failed the test. If they score between 10 and 20, they'll see a message indicating they've passed. To set this up, add a condition to the last question in the form based on the respondent's total score, and redirect them to the appropriate end page. To allow respondents to view their final score, use piping on the end page to display it directly. Next, we'll go to General Settings and set a time limit for the test. In this example, the entire test is limited to 10 minutes, but you can also set a separate timer for each question if needed. To restrict access and ensure test security, we'll use respondent authentication from Advanced Settings. Here, we upload a list of national ID numbers and enable the one-time response per code setting, allowing each person to take the test only once. We also want to send the answer sheet to the respondent by email after they submit their answers. To do this, we add an email type question at the start of the test to capture their email address. Then, under Settings, Notifications, Notify Respondent, we select that email question as the recipient and insert the answer sheet link into the email body by typing @. Once the test is live and responses are submitted, you can download all results in Excel from the results table in the results phase. To filter responses, like finding all respondents who scored 20, click the search icon and set your filter criteria. In the Charts section, you'll also find aggregated visual reports for each question, helping you analyze test performance at a glance. With Porsline's online test builder, you can design a wide range of exams with ease. And if you're a teacher, school, or educational organization, don't forget, Porsline offers exclusive discounts for the education sector.